Kamonu.
Kimono.
Angin.
Onion.
กระเท้า
The towel.
ดูลาวา
Do lava.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
No, dam le ve kem vo in tlai chu kanu cooking kan e ve dun thung do na kanu yon so. Hey, enge asiam teron soiro se mizo tongin mom say it in mizo. What you making?
Steak stir fry with broccoli, green beans, and asparagus.
Oh, asparagus te chon bong sa te le mo beans French bean ang kha tyang mix fel khane karon e don ni chumo special lo to po ni lawa vin chu chon hei hot sauce ne ko hot sauce e hi ke chu thum dawa okay
Yummy.
say atui
A tweet?
no to
No duck. No two.
lo to kampa ina soy dan to lo
No
shala ay kasam kan mi pier sa ka sile nalinti chuanin in lo comments don niya oh luto. Oh, stoy lutok. Yummy.
Broccoli.
For in Friday ni siya kanute office on solo na Saturday le Sunday. So, you're off Sunday and Saturday, right?
Off for the weekend.
Saturday le,
Yeah, Saturday late.
Sunday
Sunday.
office.
A feast.
Kal
Oh,
angay lava.
a mile of
Oh, Doctor Ramon tizi at siya they all think you are doctor. Everyone asks me, is your mom doctor? I said, no, doctor assistant.
nurse.
I said, doctor assistant.
Yep, that's what I am.
Yeah, it's kind of because you are writing prescription.
I'm a
for
doctor
them.
assistant. I work for the doctor.
Good ngay karon mang ni hi mom say good ngay
Good nay.
karon
Kandran.
mang
Mung.
choinan.
Cha.
Mizo
Mizo.
culture
Culture.
anga ave
Ave.
kadubok siya.
Kadubak.
Siya.
Sia.
Chuanin
Twing.
in comments
Increment.
tratak tak
Tratakta.
ka
Ka.
kalom lutok
Kalomnatak.
kampa law later. Do you know what we saying just now? Tu na kan soy kay Shem.
No.
Because you guys always make a great comments things about me, so I'm so thankful for that.
I'll get this mizo stuff down.
Hey, asparagus.
May take a while.
Risotto. Say,
Mizotong.
katiam.
Katiam.
Trepto.
Tripto.
Yummy.
Mushroom.
Mushroom po tela masaya. Hindi to kahe pa. Say pa.
Pa.
Yeah, pa is a mushroom. So,
Yum.
kanuhan ko ten aves. Yeah, I'm so happy that you always eat with your hand. Food with me.
Hands wash. I like my sauce. It's pretty good. It's hot.
When I first eat, I think it's hot, but now
These mushrooms are really good. When you saute them with the meat.
when I first do sauce, when I first eat this sauce, I kind of like, oh my god, it's so spicy. But the more I eat, it's fine.
How do you say asparagus?
Put closer here, camera. Asparagus,
Asparagus.
he,
He.
mizo trong,
Mizo drong.
in,
In.
enge, enge,
Yang.
locomen,
Yokomen.
rau.
Raru.
Yeah, I make you say that what is asparagus in miso because I said if you know in miso, please comment.
Yeah.
Because I don't know in miso. But in miso, beans is beans. We don't have in miso. Beans is beans. But we don't say like
We'll have
For the
sticky.
long ones.
long one is beans. But this one's French beans.
These are French beans.
But
then
my
we-
favorite is long one. Long one is so good.
Right.
I would just boil and drink the soup also.
Yeah.
And eat.
Long beans are good, but we don't grow them very.
I
well
wanna
there.
grow if we found the seed, but
We can get seeds.
when we go to Indiana,
It's pretty
Mom.
late. Yes.
when we go to Indiana, we can go to miso shop and buy some stuff. I wanna
Okay.
buy a rice cooker. It's like this mustadi, like a pressure cooker, and $24.
Yeah.
Can we buy it small so I can boil my rice rather than
Yeah.
cooking some other stuff?
So you can actually eat food.
I'm gonna one time I boil and then keep it, and then next day I don't have to boil again and eat again. People say, how can you guys get full with this food? Because I would need rice on the side. I need to rice and then the baka sugar te tama chuan sugar baka ingi khap baby. Sugar and what rice ay daw chang ha. What else?
For what?
Not eating rice.
Oh, it breaks down.
Fiber, right? You say
Yeah, that's-
fiber?
Yeah. Grains.
No, the reason you don't eat,
No, I like it.
it
though.
has a lot of like sugars and fibers and
Breaks
stuff.
down
So
sugar.
if you want to do that, it's
Yeah, it
you-
breaks down
yeah.
to a lot of
So
sugar.
if I'm not doing Didi message me today say that can Sylvia long in comments will te come on long via. I was sleeping and I dream only you and your husband. I'm like, stop dreaming.
Wake up.
She's like, I think I'm really into it, your channel. Like I fall asleep and I saw you guys in my dream and all.
Aw.
Wake up.
They asked me, ngatinge, minzo tami, ngatinge inu kang a food ka atem te emi manti, a cho ka atem te bi emi manang ka tam se minti. They said, you know, always eat little food and you have big plate. You're supposed to have a small food and then your nose should have more. I said because he's on that and I'm not.
That's right. I'm watching my old woman figure.
Katar kay Chu,
K2,
Peter,
Pito,
kanito
Dami Twa,
Chu Vangin,
Tuvang,
Anya,
Anya,
So,
So,
Lem Te,
Bunte, De,
Kay,
Ke,
Achan Chu,
Atantu,
Kamonu,
Kimonu,
Angin,
Onion,
Katao,
Latau,
Dulava.
Dulava.
If you know what I'm saying, you
I have no idea what she's teaching me.
Enge soy ka, enge asoy ka,
Anya Saka,
kashelaw,
Tishello.
rang.
Rarin.
It's okay. Baby, you know what I just said? You know what I just said to
You
mom?
said tetes.
No, I said what tete. Tete, law tibes. I told that I'm already old lady, so I have to watch my figure out. So that I don't get fat like my daughter-in-law.
That was her doing. Right, Scarlett? Yeah, we gotta watch our girly figure, don't we, big girl? Yeah. That's funny. Do what?
Pasal na ivete in lo omchuanin in pasal te lo ho mai lo in boy fai ula chada min lo in che ula tan pasal te khan lom ni tam pa po he in chu mel tha min da mo mel tha min te ve zong zong kha chuan in lo comment so na kanu you can say thank you to the
Thank you.
people because they subscribe your channel.
Thank you for subscribing to my channel at Nana's Kitchen.
Mizo in soila, you say it in mizo.
Okay.
Say it. Soy ro nu.
Zero new.
Zero nu. No, okay, I'll say. Katsanel.
Kachanel.
Nana kitchen.
Nana Kitchen.
In low.
Inlo.
And Trinavang.
In Trinavon.
You are so good. I say so fast when you say. Kalome.
Kulame.
Avan tiam tak.
Ivante Anta.
No, you don't have to say that part. I'll just say she did so good at
Oh, well, I did so good.
Oh, Chuanin now next video kay mule nga. Chuanin what we gonna do next? We are going to Apple.
We're going to go to the apple orchard.
Apple huana uncle do na mo chuan but when?
Towards the end of next week when I go on vacation.
I thought this week. No?
Next week.
Next week ati Carle laman ito.
I'm on vacation Thursday, Friday.
Come you here vacation man ay do na. Woohoo! Vacation. 1 week. Kar khatson ay do mo. No, I'm done.
11 days off.
Mom, you can tell them during our vacation. Kan vacation line.
Go ahead.
Say kan vacation
Gone
line.
vacation.
Line
Lion.
video
Video.
tamthei
Damte.
ang bear
Amber.
kanlo
Kanlo.
siam
Siam.
donya
Donya.
intan
Inda.
kay muli
Kamfie.
donya
Donya.
bye bye
Bye-bye. Woo!
bye see you next time nga ito
Have a good night.
bye bye mom.